Internationally acclaimed Irish pop rock band The Script arrived in Shillong on the 11th of November 2025, marking their first ever visit to India ahead of their much anticipated performance at the Cherry Blossom Festival this year. The band, best known for their global hits such as Hall of Fame, Break Even, and The Man Who Can't Be Moved, will headline the opening day of the festival on 14th November at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Shillong. Frontman Danny O'Donoghue and drummer Glenn Power were greeted with an enthusiastic reception from fans upon arrival at the Shillong airport. Their participation at this year's festival is being seen as a milestone moment for Meghalaya, which continues to cement its reputation as the music capital of the Northeast and a rising destination on the global concert map. In a delightful surprise for fans, The Script made an impromptu stop at the Don Bosco Square Layumkra earlier today, the 13th of November, where they treated the crowd to an acoustic rendition of their iconic hit Hall of Fame. The spontaneous street performance drew a large crowd of students and young people who sang along joyfully, turning the busy square into a vibrant scene of music and celebration. The Cherry Blossom Festival 2025, to be held on the 14th and 15th of November, will see The Script sharing the stage with international pop star Jason Derulo. The event promises to be one of Shillong's biggest celebrations yet, blending international music with local culture, food, and art. As the countdown to the festival begins, anticipation is soaring among music lovers across the region. With The Script set to take the stage on the 14th of November 2025, Shillong is ready to come alive to the rhythm of one of the world's most beloved pop rock acts, making this year's Cherry Blossom Festival a truly unforgettable experience.
Hall of Fame! Hall of Fame!
Hall of Fame, yeah!
You can be the world.
You can be the one. Come banging on this door.
Get your play hands up.
You can be the rap. Yeah, you can move mountains. You can break rocks.
You can be a master.
Master, don't wait for luck.
Dedicate yourself. You can find
Banging in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. It's your birth, it's your birthplace. And the world's gonna know your name. You can walk to the Hall of Fame.
You can run the mile.
You can run straight to hell with a smile.
You can be the hero.
Hero, you can be the goat.
But you know the rest like you hero.
Yeah, standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. It's your birth with the brightest place. And the world's gonna know your name. And the walls of the Hall of Fame.
Champion.
Be the champion. Be the champion. Be the champion.
Be students, be
Teachers,
teachers.
be politicians, be preachers.
Hey, hey.
Be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers.
Be students, be teachers. Be politicians,
Politicians, be preachers.
be believers, be leaders. Be astronauts, be champions.
Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. It's the birth of the bright flame. And the world's gonna know your name. You'll be on the walls of the Hall of
Be
Fame.
champion.
Be the champion. Be the champion. Be the champion. Be the champion. Be the champion.